Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front mud flaps on a 2019 Nissan Armada. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the two factory screws on the inner wheel well, as well as the lower push pin as shown. Next, with an 1.5" black washer and stainless steel screw, loosely install the middle mud flap hole. Then, loosely install the top hole as well using a large black washer and stainless screw. With the 3/4 inch black washer and number 10 bolt, loosely install the lower mud flap hole through the push pin hole and secure it with the provided flange nut. Note, for the innermost mud flap hole, the factory liner has a pre-drilled hole with which to install the hardware. Then, roughly align the mud flap. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill from the back side, using the factory hole as a guide, through the mud flap. Then, on the new inner mud flap hole, loosely install a 3/4 inch washer and bolt, and secure it with a washer, lock washer, and nut. With a square or level, make sure the mud flap is properly aligned to the vehicle. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once properly aligned, securely fasten all screws and remaining fasteners in place. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.